Have you ever wished one AI could build your website, create videos, generate images, design presentations, write reports, create social media content, and even build a mobile app, all from a single prompt? Today, we're putting Runnable to the test by launching an entire fictional coffee brand called Brew Haven. Instead of testing random features, we'll use every major capability to build one complete business from the ground up and see how everything connects together. The link is in the description if you'd like to follow along. Let's get started. Every brand needs a website, so that's where we'll begin. Prompt create a modern landing page for a premium coffee brand called Brew Haven. Include a hero section, product showcase, customer testimonials, pricing, contact form, online ordering with Stripe payments, analytics, and deploy it with a custom domain. Runnable builds a complete landing page with a polished layout, online ordering, payment integration, analytics, and deployment support. The result looks professional and feels ready for customers. Creating the investor presentation. Now that the website is ready, let's prepare a pitch deck for potential investors. To create a professional investor pitch deck for Brew Haven, include the business overview, market opportunity, revenue model, competitor analysis, financial projections, charts, branding, and export-ready PPTX slides. Within moments, Runnable produces a polished presentation with clean visuals, organized content, and editable slides that are ready to present. Next, let's create a promotional video for Brew Haven. Create a 30-second cinematic advertisement for Brew Haven's premium coffee products with realistic cafe scenes, cinematic camera movements, premium lighting, smooth transitions, background music, and professional voiceover. Runnable generates a polished commercial that feels much closer to a professional advertisement than a typical AI-generated video. Every brand also needs high-quality visuals. Generate ultra-realistic product photography for Brew Haven's coffee packaging with premium lighting, elegant backgrounds, social media banners, and transparent product assets. The generated images look clean, detailed, and ready to use across marketing campaigns and promotional materials. Creating a market research report before expanding the business. Let's research the coffee industry. Prompt create a professional market research report for the premium coffee industry in 2026. Include market size, customer trends, competitor comparison, charts, citations, and business opportunities for Brew Haven. Instead of simple text, Runnable organizes everything into a structured report with charts, references, and actionable insights. It looks like something you'd confidently present in a business meeting. Now let's promote Brew Haven on social media. Create a 10-slide Instagram carousel introducing Brew Haven, highlighting its premium coffee, unique selling points, customer benefits, and launch promotion using modern graphics and engaging layouts. Runnable designs a consistent, visually appealing carousel that's ready for publishing with minimal editing. Next, let's give Brew Haven its own mobile app. Prompt build a Brew Haven mobile ordering app with user login, product catalog, shopping cart, online payments, loyalty rewards, order tracking, QR preview, and deployment-ready files. Runnable creates the app structure, user interface, and interactive preview, making the concept feel surprisingly complete from just one prompt. Finally, let's connect everything together using workflows. Prompt create a reusable workflow for Brew Haven that researches coffee trends, writes promotional blog posts, generates matching marketing images, creates Instagram carousels, and prepares campaign assets for publishing. Instead of repeating the same steps every time, Runnable creates a reusable workflow that streamlines the entire content creation process. This makes it much easier to keep producing consistent marketing content as the brand grows. Whether you're launching a business, creating marketing campaigns, or building digital products, Runnable brings all of those capabilities together in one place. If you'd like to try Runnable yourself, check the link in the description and start building your own projects with simple prompts. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more,